Friends, it's 10 o'clock on Saturday night. I'm exhausted and I'm getting ready for bed. And a wig arrived today and I just really want to unbox it because I really want to see it. So this wig right here is Jon Renau Ignite in the color Shaded Sun. Ignite is one of my all-time favorite wigs of all time. And I've probably tried 400 wigs. And I love this wig so much. And I really want to unbox it. Normally I do, sped up unboxings with a voiceover. But today I wanted to do a real unboxing and talk to you guys as I go through it. Because you might be new to wearing wigs and this could help you. So, when you get a major name brand ready to wear wig like Jon Renau, you will get them in a box like this. They're a little bit different, but generally the same. And they'll be packed inside. Sometimes the wigs are packed inside out and sometimes they aren't. There's really no rhyme or reason as to why they do it this way. They may know the reason, but I certainly don't. And so if you get a wig that's inside out, don't think that it's a return or a problem. Sometimes they're packed inside out. That's just the way it goes. So let's turn it, and there'll often be the little netting inside there. Now, one of the things I really like about Jon Renau, when you purchase a heat-friendly wig from them, and this is heat-friendly, Ignite is heat-friendly, you will get it's kind of glued down, or it's stapled down. You will get a wide tooth comb with your order. I love that because we can never have too many wide tooth combs. I keep one in my car, in my purse, in my bathroom, down in my office. I have them everywhere. These are wonderful. You want a wide tooth comb with your heat-friendly wigs because it's gentler on the fibers. So that's one thing to know about Jon Renau. Now, Ignite. What I love about Ignite is the price is really fairly good for the wig that it is. It's not a budget wig, but it's good compared to other wigs similar to this because all it has is a lace front. But what I really love is this lace front is deep. It's about a little over an inch deep, and that gives you the appearance of part way back. So you're not paying for a full monofilament or even a mono part, yet you're still getting some of those benefits. And that's one thing that I love. This has open wefting, extended nape, Velcro adjusters, which I find easier to use than most of the others out there. And this color, I don't think I've ever seen Shaded Sun. Oh my goodness, beautiful color. So let me throw her on for you so you can see what Ignite looks like. Now, when I first, and some people will call this Karen hair, but I don't care because I love Ignite. When I first started wearing wigs, I desperately wanted to try some short wigs, especially in the summer. I was quite a bit heavier than I am now, and my face was very round and inflamed, and so short wigs didn't look great on me. But I wanted to wear them. I bought so many short wigs early on, just praying that one would work for me. Well, the very first one that ever worked for me was Ignite. And the reason why I feel as though Ignite works for me and for many others is because of this. So you get some length in the front. You get the benefit of a short style, hair off your neck. It's cooler. And it's just kind of easier to wear, especially in a heat-friendly piece. You're not going to get the friction. My Ignites last and last every bit as good as a regular synthetic because you're not getting any friction on them. Yet, you've got this length. So for people who struggle with wigs cutting them off because their face shape or whether it's real or perceived, something like this could really make a difference for you. That's one reason I loved Ignite. Now, Ignite has a gorgeous lace front. There's that lace front. You can see they brought the highlights up to the front so that you wouldn't see the dark knotting from the root. And it does not have a mono part. On the rooted versions or the darker versions, I don't really think that matters because this really gives a shadow and it doesn't draw your eye toward anything. What you can do though, the root is kind of dark. You can see the darker knots right there. So they've got the lighter and then there's the darker. You could put a little face powder right there on the part line, and that will also draw out that little part area. Oh my goodness. so pretty. I am gonna do a review and a color spotlight of this one, so stay tuned for that. But I just thought I would do this longer video with you guys, talk about a wig out of the box, talk about something that I've loved since the very beginning of my wig wearing journey, when no other short wig would work for me. And the reason is the cut. It's just really beautiful and professional. And I've known many people to put some curl into their Ignite because it is heat friendly. I also know some people who own 2 Ignites. One they keep this way and one they curl. And then you have a ready to go wig. You can change it out. Nobody will be the wiser. And you know that they'll match because they're the same brand as far as color goes. So if you're struggling, that's an idea for you. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a great night or day, whatever time you're watching this.